Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents of Lufthansa's First Class Amenity Kit. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this amenity kit, this is as of June, and then back to the luggage style amenity kit. I believe it's from the Lufthansa line of luggage there, so that's pretty cool. So in here you've got the toothbrush kit. You've got an eye mask. And you got some nicely wrapped socks. Here you've got some moisturizing cream. Some fancy serum. A shoehorn. Nice mint, because who doesn't like to stay fresh? Some earplugs. There we've got some moisturizing creams. All about the moisturizing cream. As you see, the Augustine bobber is throughout the amenity kit, so that makes up a good portion of it. And from what I understand, it's a pretty good product. You guys can let me know in the comment section. I'm not really a huge skincare aficionado, but let me know if it's a good product that they're putting in the first class amenity kits. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.